Alive and Well is brought to you by Pine Rest Christian Mental Health Services.
Construction is well underway on the Pine Rest Pediatric Center of Behavioral Health, the first dedicated center in West Michigan exclusively for children and teens. Dr. Heidi Rawlings is the medical director of the Pine Rest Pediatric Center, and she joins us now to talk more about what this project means for children and families. And it's good to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
This is a big project,
Yes.
Construction right in the middle of your beautiful campus.
Yes.
And what is this going to mean for the community? Tell me about this pediatric center.
Well, we're really excited. We're going to have so many more services for children, teens, and ones that particularly support their families. It's very family focused, dedicated to kids, and evidence-based.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about why it was needed, because you were serving children, but
Absolutely.
this goes so much beyond where you are currently. Talk about the need.
Yeah, well, we try to listen to the community, and we hear our community saying we need more pediatric behavioral health services, you know, with the rise in children's mental health crises that we've seen since COVID that continues. Really, we want to make sure we're meeting those needs.
Talk about some of the services you'll be providing.
Yeah, we're going to have inpatient care. We have that today. We're going to have more beds available for kids and opportunities to specialize in having beds dedicated for younger kids and kids who have neurodevelopmental disabilities like autism spectrum disorder. We're going to have day treatment programming. We're going to have urgent care and specialized outpatient programming as well.
I'm looking at the list of services. I see eating disorders
Yes.
and really treatment of young children.
Yes, we really designed the space so that younger kids could get their needs met in a more intentional way, and so families could really come in and get the treatment that they have need for their kids. We do have eating disorder treatment as well. We saw that as a gap in our community too.
So those are expanded services from current offerings, and then there's a set of new services, right?
Right. So our eating disorder treatment is actually a new service that we started, and we were able to open it earlier to meet the demand. So we started that in October. It's a day treatment program. It's in our current space, and we're excited to move it and expand it into our new center.
I looked online. You can actually see the building going up. You can watch a video of this building going up on campus.
It's amazing.
Talk about timing on this.
Yeah, so we are about 1 year out. It will be opening March 2026.
And so up until this point, families could come to you and at a time of crisis, your involvement in helping healing for the whole family, because when there's a crisis with a child, right, it's the whole family that's involved. That has to be gratifying, providing the services and knowing you're going a step beyond.
Absolutely. It's really important to help families through this crisis, not just the kids. Like you mentioned, parents need that help just as much. We have some cool features like a family lounge that'll support families uniquely in this space too.
Yeah, talk about the space itself. What will it look like when completed? It's huge. I saw that.
It is. Well, it's themed as a tree house, so it has a tree house theme, which just means that it's playful, it's kid focused. We got a lot of feedback from kids and families about what elements they'd like to see, and so we'll have kind of a youth-minded appeal throughout the entire building, which is really exciting.
Do you have to expand your team and the expertise you'll also be offering?
Absolutely. We'll be actively hiring, and we need some specialized treatment members. We're multidisciplinary, so we have treatments of all disciplines coming together, working hard for our kids.
It's exciting to know that this is going to be there for families in a time of need. It's really good news, and we'll watch it coming along.
Absolutely.
All right, if you'd like to learn more about the project, you can visit the Pine Rest website, pinerest.org/pediatric-center. We'll put a link to that on our website, 13onyourside.com. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you very much.